Hi, in this video I'm going to discuss about the designs. So far we have been making plain presentation. Let's make it a little bit more interesting and more colorful. So for doing that you need to go in the third tab, which is the design tab. From here you will get so many options which are predefined. I don't have to worry over anything. You can see as my cursor is moving over these designs, the presentation below here is getting changed and getting a new look. So you can select any of the thing that you like, and even you can, if you want more, you can simply have it from here. Click on this particular area which says more, and this gives you the complete list. If you have some theme present in your system, if you have it stored already, you can browse it from here. Or if you want it from Microsoft Office Online, you can click over here. So for now I'm going to stick with these basic things because let's have it very quickly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it to the title page so that I can see the effects coming up in the whole of the slides. So let's see which looks more beautiful. If I go over this, it's still the plane. Now it looks little bit good, better. Let's make something more. Okay, we have this black one. What if I select over this? And I would see the whole of my slides in this presentation have changed the appearance. Yeah, but sometimes you have to make little bit of dragging things up and down because different styles have different way of representing, so it might overpower your content. So at that time you just need to go through whole of your slides and adjust your data accordingly, like the way I'm doing right now. Yeah, it looks perfect to me. Yeah, let's go to the next slide. Okay, this is fine, this is fine, fine, this is little below, so let's bring it up. That's fine, 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 perfect. So this is how you can make changes in your designs very quickly. And the effects and the fonts, if you're not satisfied these, you can have the colors from here. You can want to have different shades. You see I have selected one design, and on that design also I can make the changes. Like if I go for office color, the effects are changing. If I want grayscale, everything will be in gray and black. Apex, aspect, civic, let's go with maybe flow. Yeah, it looks nice. Perfect. It's making your presentation more beautiful. The colors are all should be vibrant. And for the fonts, you can go over here. Like if you have decided some other fonts, maybe the Times New Roman or something like that, and you want to change them, you can easily have it from here. Like there are so many. So let's stick with maybe this Calibri, and let's see the fonts. Here it has changed, but here the effect is not there because I've changed it only for the title page. If you want to change, you can go on a separate slides and you can have them accordingly, but I don't want to change it because I've already set everything to Times New Roman when we started doing the font thing. So let's put it the same way. I just want to change for the title bar from here, the title area, and then effects. So for the effects you can have it from here. Like if you want it something like this, or if you want something like maybe this. So this gives a little bit more I would say vibrance to your PPT. Other than that, you have this background styles. If you want to change the background of your presentation, like right now it's white, we can take blue, we can take darker one, of course the black, anything that you like. You can go over here, grayscale, black and everything. Even if you want to have a different background, you can select over here. Let's go with black ones. Let's see how it affects our whole of the slides. Yeah, it's looking nice. If you want some other style, you can go over here and select accordingly. Maybe this, but the text, you must keep it in your mind. The text that you are right now having here, it should not get overpowered with any kind of background. So this is overpowering my text, so I'm going back and I'm going to change it to the little lighter color, or maybe white is the best. So maybe this one, this looks fine. Yeah, this looks fine. Perfect. So in case you have any kind of background graphics, right now we are not having any kind of background graphics. So what I'm going to do is, like, if in case you have anything, you can click over this hide background graphics. It is going to hide it for you, but right now we don't have it, so let's skip this part. And other than that, you can also format your background. If you want gradient fill, or you want a texture filled with some texture or picture, you can have it from here. If you want to have solid fill, you can have it from here. Like, you see the changes. The solid fill is basically one color, and the gradient fill looks something like this. If you want to have some picture or a texture, you need to select it and you will get a texture like this. You can even do it for one particular slide, and if you want to apply it for the whole slides, you can click over here and click as apply to all, and it will appear on all the slides. So right now I just want a gradient fill. And yeah, preset colors, you can change it from here. If you want to have some other shades like this, if you want to have something like this, right? And if you want to have a type, it should be linear. Linear means it's going horizontal. If you want to have a radial, it will be having the concentric thing. If you want to have it rectangular, it will look like this. So these are the different types that will appear. Shade from title, so it starts shading from here. The type it has, it basically affects the whole of the look. So yeah, that's all for this. And then we have colors for the theme. If you want to change that, you have done it from background only. And this is a time transparency thing. If you have any kind of I would say picture selected, maybe in the background picture you want to make it less transparent or more transparent, you can do it from here. So let's do it here and make it gradient fill, and preset color, do maybe this to make it look more better. Yeah, this looks fine. And then you can apply to all, or you can reset the background. Whatever it was, it will go back to what it was. This button is used in case you have made a wrong changes over here. You can select it from here. And if you want to put a picture, you can select it from here. You can have if you have a picture, and you can change the color and brightness, contrast from over here. Next comes this orientation, the slide orientation. It's basically it should be portrait or it should be landscape. Right now the all slides are landscape, so we can turn it into portrait. It looks something like this. I think it looks better for your cell phone maybe. And if you want to have it the way it was, go in the landscape. Then the last option is the page setup. This is used to set up the page whenever you want it to be printed. So you can set up from here. So let's skip this part, and yeah, perfect.